Hi again everyone, welcome back to MycoLogical. Quick little video for you today. So I have a nice grain jar from 9/24, September 24th of this year. As you can see, it's got some nice, vigorous, even rhizomorphic growth all along the bottom. That tells me that there was some moisture pooling when this was colonizing, but as you can see, the top grains are basically completely dry, and that's my fault because I did not soak this batch. I did a quick hydrate just by boiling it for about an hour and a half. So note to self, don't do that again. Just do the full soak it overnight, and then boil it for 30 to an hour. Works much better. But I want to try to save this jar, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a break and shake, and then we're going to leave this and see how it does for a little while. If there's no more recolonization after the break, then I'm going to go ahead and throw this out in my garden and not use it to inoculate a bulk spawn. Alright, so when you're breaking your jars, sometimes they'll be real stiff, sometimes they'll be completely loose like this. Either way, you just want to flip it upside down. I like to take the palm of my hand. You can use a book or a shoe or just something that's not going to break the jar when you hit it, and just gently but firmly smack the jar until you get some breakage. Right now it's all loose in there. There's still some big chunks, but what I'm going to do now is just give it one nice firm shake like this. Get all those kernels redistributed. There's still a few chunks in there, which is good. Those will probably rise to the top a little, which is also good. And that's it. That's broken now. So you can see all the kernels are loose again in there. They're still coated in mycelium, so just put this back in somewhere room temperature, dark, average humidity, and it should speed up the remaining colonization of this back up to speed instead of taking forever like it was. Anyways, that's basically it. That's how you break and shake a jar. This should help speed up the colonization pretty substantially by spreading that mycelium around the whole jar instead of just being concentrated on the bottom there. That's all. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time. Peace.